Prophet Musa's miraculous beginning. Under Allah's protection, no harm can ever reach you. The story of Prophet Musa AS reaching Pharaoh's palace is a remarkable tale of divine destiny and protection. It is recounted in the Quran and highlights Allah's plan to protect Prophet Musa from harm even as a baby, ultimately leading him to grow up in the house of the very man who sought to destroy him. Pharaoh was informed by his advisors or priests that a boy from the Israelites would rise and overthrow his rule. This prophecy instilled fear and paranoia in Pharaoh, as he was already oppressing the Israelites and enslaving them. Pharaoh, Fir'aun, was a tyrannical ruler of Egypt who oppressed the Israelites, Bani Israel. Fearing that a boy from the Israelites would overthrow his rule, he ordered the killing of all male infants born to them. Prophet Musa AS was born during this time of persecution. His mother feared for his life. Allah inspired her to place the baby in a basket and let it float in the Nile River, assuring her that he would protect Musa and reunite them. We inspired the mother of Musa, saying, "Suckle him, but when you fear for him, cast him into the river and do not fear nor grieve. Indeed, we will return him to you and make him one of the messengers." The basket floated down the Nile and was discovered by the family of Pharaoh. Pharaoh's wife Hazrat, Asiya, was moved by the sight of the baby and pleaded with Pharaoh to spare his life. And the wife of Pharaoh said, "He will be a comfort of the eye for me and for you. Do not kill him, perhaps he may benefit us, or we may adopt him as a son." Despite Pharaoh's hatred for the Israelites, he agreed to let the child live. Thus, by Allah's decree, Musa AS was raised in the very palace of the man who sought to destroy him. As an infant, Musa AS refused to be nursed by any of the wet nurses in the palace. Allah guided Musa's sister, who had been watching the basket from a distance, to suggest a woman who could nurse the baby. The woman was none other than Prophet Musa's own mother. So we restored him to his mother that she might be content and not grieve, and that she would know that the promise of Allah is true. This story highlights themes of divine protection, the fulfillment of Allah's promises, and his control over events, no matter how dire they may seem. It also sets the stage for Musa's later prophethood and confrontation with Pharaoh.